So my Garrett Ace 300 just came in. Very excited about it. It came in 2 days as Amazon promised, which is pretty exciting. Guy just left it on the porch, just like this, not in any sort of box or anything. A little concerning, but fortunately I was there to get it early Sunday morning. Anyway, let's open it up, see what we got. Okay. There we have the headphones. Very nice, volume control. Garrett. They look pretty nice. Hopefully that'll work out. There's the cover for the controls. Keep it out of the weather. That must be the hardware for mounting the coil. There's the owner's manual. I'm sure I'll be using that a lot. That's that. There's a cover for the coil. Very nice. That should work fine. I don't know if I'm supposed to use that while I'm using it, or if it's something that you use when you store it. I'm sure the owner manual will let me know that. Warranty card. Be sure to fill that out and mail that in. You want to protect yourself and your investment. And here we have the stand for the controls, the cup with the controls, and the coil. Now I did see a guy on YouTube that used a knife to cut that band. I would recommend using a pair of side cutters. Came pretty close to cutting himself. Anyway, cut that loose. We'll remove the coil. Nice. I think this is like a 7x10. I'm not positive. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, appears to have some kind of lacquer finish on it. That'll help protect it, I'm sure. Very nice. There's the rod to connect everybody together. Looks like it's fully adjustable. That's where the coil is going to mount. That's what that hardware is for in that bag, I'm sure. And there's the controls. Looks nice. There's the Velcro arm strap to help hold it in place. I haven't seen many people on YouTube using that. I'll have to wait and see how that works. Very nice though. There's the back side. That's where your coil is going to be connected, and phone jacks if you decide to use them. That's for mounting it to the rod. Make sure you get a sturdy connection. I understand there's a little bit of, you can adjust this a little bit if you need to. Anyway, looks like everything is there as promised. So excited about that. Now I'm going to put it together. Okay, let's get started with the assembly. First we're going to take the upper lower stem and we're going to take it out just a little bit. I'm sure I'll have to adjust that after I get it completely assembled. Let's start there. Now we've got to insert the washers. One. Line up these little holes on here. Put it in there. Nice. Put the coil on. Should get that all the way in there. A little catch on you. Hopefully I'll be able to edit this a little bit. Shouldn't be that difficult. but sometimes that's how it goes. Okay, we should be able to put that on there, no trouble. Put the bolt through. Nice. The wing nut put on. There we go. Just hand tighten that. Should be fine. You always adjust that again later. Now we're going to connect the S stem. By the way, this is the S stem. So make sure you loosen this up, right? Slide that in. Press these to get past the initial deal. Sure it's locked in good. Here we go. Tighten it up. That's good. Tighten this up. Now I'm going to take and wrap the coil around, and you want to go over the top, and then continue to wrap it around nice and tight. Well, not too tight, just enough to keep it from flopping around while you're out there metal detecting. There's the connection right there. Looks like there's a little notch on here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little notch, and there's a notch up on top here. Make sure you get those lined up, and then it should slide right in. Take the retaining nut, snug that down. This needs to be snug, nothing too hard. And that's it. It looks like I'm assembled. Let me check the height. That seems fine. I might could drop that down just a tad. That's not bad. Now, let's go ahead and power on. Oh, maybe we should check the batteries. Oh, there it is. Alrighty. There's your different modes. And it's liking something over there. I'm not sure what's over there, but it's liking something over there. And right now I'm on relic mode. Oh, that was my ring. That was my gold ring that set that off. So guess what? I'll be finding some gold rings. Very nice. Very nice. This looks like a very nice unit. I'm excited to try this out. All right, get these headphones unpacked. We'll put a few things out in the yard and see if we can't do a little mining to see how this works out in different types of metals. And cover, I don't think I need today, seeing how I'm in Arizona and it's always 100+ degrees outside, no matter the time of year it seems like. But I do plan on doing some traveling around the US, and this may come in handy if I run into a little bit of weather. Anyway, very nice unit so far. I'm very well pleased. And the manual is very easy to read with pictures. That's always nice. Now I'm going to get into the power on and basic controls and target information. Hopefully it's not this thick. Hopefully it's other languages. Yes, it is. Thank you. But even at that, you got over 21 pages of information that you really should read up on, so that you don't want to miss anything because you missed something in the manual. There's a quick start guide, but understanding and knowing your metal detector fully will make you more successful out in the field. Anyway, there's that. I'm gonna get it set up to go outside. Thanks. System. I'm gonna go to coin mode, which is in, and the first object that I have is a penny. As you can see, it comes up a penny. There's a nickel, and it's showing that it is a nickel. There's a dime, it's showing a dime. There's a quarter, and it's showing a quarter. Nice. This is a Kennedy half dollar, and it's showing a half dollar. And this is an 1800 silver dollar, and coming in around 96, and that's a dollar, silver dollar. That's pretty cool.